Unlocking gut health, the power of fermented foods. Are you struggling with gut issues? It might be time to turn to a surprising solution: fermented foods. These powerhouse foods not only tantalize your taste buds but also work wonders for your gut health. Let's delve into the world of fermented foods and discover how they can transform your digestive system. The gut healing heroes. Yogurt. Say hello to your gut's new best friend, yogurt. Packed with probiotics, yogurt helps maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria, strengthening your digestive system. But watch out if you have GERD, as dairy products like yogurt may aggravate symptoms. Kimchi. Spice up your meals with kimchi, the Korean delight bursting with flavor and probiotics. From reducing GI issues to fighting inflammation, kimchi is a superstar when it comes to gut health. Plus, making your own is easier than you think. Sauerkraut. Forget the condiments, sauerkraut is where it's at. Loaded with probiotics, fiber, and antioxidants, this tangy treat supports digestion and nutrient absorption. Just make sure you're grabbing the real deal from the refrigerated section. Kombucha. Thirsty for more? Sip on kombucha, the fermented tea with a probiotic punch. Not a fan of solid fermented foods? No problem. Kombucha offers the same gut-loving benefits in a refreshing beverage. DIY fermentation. Easy recipes for homemade goodness, ready to become a fermentation pro? Follow these simple steps to whip up your own batch of fermented goodness. 1. Yogurt. Just add bacterial cultures to milk and let fermentation work its magic. 2. Kimchi. Brine your veggies, spice them up, and let the fermentation frenzy begin. 3. Sauerkraut. Thinly sliced cabbage, add salt, and let fermentation do the rest. 4. Kombucha. Brew tea, add SCOBY, and let fermentation transform it into a fizzy delight. Tips for incorporating fermented foods. From store to table, maximize the benefits of fermented foods with these handy tips. 1. Check labels for traditional fermentation methods to ensure quality. 2. Store fermented goodies in cool, dark places to preserve freshness. 3. Rotate items in your fridge, placing those closest to expiration up front for easy access. Conclusion. Embark on your journey to gut health with fermented foods by your side. Start small, incorporating one fermented delight into each meal. With time, you'll reap the rewards of a happy gut and a healthier you. Cheers to fermentation and flourishing digestive systems. CJW Health.